Alright, so hey everyone, I wanted to follow up on my previous Forex trading challenge video where I aimed to grow a $20, right? I know many of you were inspired and excited to see the progress, but however, I just want to be transparent with you. I did not quite hit the mark. In fact, I even lost the $20, right? I lost the initial deposit. But here's the thing, I did not give up and I wasn't discouraged. I actually learned from my mistakes and I started again with a new deposit of $10, right? And my initial intentions were to flip that $10 to something significant, but I changed my mind to trade the account conservatively, right? So I'm also excited to share that I was able to grow that $10 to $26, right? Trading it conservatively in just 1 week, I was able to grow that $10 to $26. So it was more than $26, but I had to reset the account to 26. It was not the original goal, but it's the start and it's a comeback to the $20 challenge I posted 2 weeks ago, right? And I'm also proud of the progress I've made so far. And through this experience, I've learned valuable lessons about risk management, discipline, and patience. And I just want to share this insight with you because you can also learn from my journey and apply them to your own trading experience. I'm also committed to continue this challenge and sharing my progress with you all, and I appreciate your support and encouragement. Let's just learn together and grow together. So what I'll be doing is I'll be showing you the trades I took on that $20 that made me hit stop loss, and also the one I took on the $10 that I was able to grow it to $26, right? So yeah, that was what I'll be doing today. Okay, so yeah, that's just about it. So let's head on. Okay, so these are the trades I took on the $20 account and the ones that hit stop losses. I lost the account, right? So these are the trades I took that made me lose the account. Okay, so first of all, I took this trade on GBP Swiss franc, and the reason why I took this trade was because of this trend line and the swing to the upside with a retracement to the downside. So I was expecting price to come to this area. This is 1.8, for us to get in, right? So but price came down, but it kept dropping to the downside, so I actually hit stop loss on this trade. You see, when it actually came back to the upside, it went on my direction and then dropped, but then I was wrong on this trade, right? I was still wrong regardless of my setup and everything. I was still wrong. Okay, so I hit stop loss on this one, and this was the first trade I took on the account. And the next trade I took was on GBP card, and it was more like the same setup on the one I took on GBP Swiss franc, but the difference was this psychological level around this area, because price broke around above this psychological level, trying to retrace back down to the psychological level, and then in this psychological level there was a 6 to 1.8 ratio based on the Fibonacci retracement, right? There was this 6 to 1.8 around this psychological level, so I was expecting price to also come to this level for me to get in the market and buy to the upside, right? But then price still tanked and hit my stop loss, and this was the results from the trade. Okay, so the next one I took was on GBP USD, and same thing, trend line. There was this resistant level, and also this is 1.8 golden ratio from the Fibonacci retracement tool, right? So price actually dropped back down. Price came back down. So this is the result from the trade, right? So price dropped a little, based on this trend line. It actually respected the trend line and went to the upside, hitting my stop loss. Okay, so I didn't close with any profit on this account. They all hit my stop loss, right? But then I was still wrong on the market. I was wrong, right? So the next trade I took was so this was on Friday. I think this was the last day I took the trade, and this was the trade that actually blew the account finally. Okay, so this was on Friday, and then I took a loss on this trade as well. This resistance level, so this support level, price broke above this level, retested it, and I was hoping for price to go to the upside, to buy to the upside, so I bought, but then it dropped back to the downside. But then I didn't actually document this trade. I didn't document it, right? So let's go to the $10 account. Was the following week I deposited a new $10 and my intentions were to flip that $10, right? My intentions were to flip the account, but then I changed my mind to trade it conservatively, and this was how it worked. So the first day I traded the account, this was the trade I took on the account, and this was on GBP card, and there was a trend line, a psychological level, and a double bottom on this trade, right? There was a double bottom on the first leg, second leg, and then I took a buy on this market, and this was the result. I actually closed at this 50% ratio on the Fibonacci retracement, and this is where I closed out. And when after closing, the market actually dropped to the downside and went back up again. Okay, so the next trade I took was on GBP AUD, but then I did not document the result of this trade, but it actually went to my direction. It didn't really go to this my target, but it went half. It went to this particular psychological level, right? So this was the next trade I took on GBP Swiss franc, and price also hit my take profits, but I also did not document the result of this trade. It actually hit my take profits, right? So the next trade I took was on GBP USD, and based on this trend line and a psychological level with a double top formation, and this was the result of the trade. It also hit my take profits as well. So this was one of the trades, and then this was another one on GBP Swiss franc again. I took this trade based on this double bottom, a Fibonacci retracement to the downside, and price breaking above this trend line. But then I knew that price was definitely going to break this trend line, because I know it was more like a resistance. Price came here, failed to break back down, came back here, also failed to break below. All right, so this was the result of this trade, and yeah, it also hit my take profits as well. So this was the final move. Okay, so this was the next trade I took on the account, and it was on GBP AUD, and I saw the reason why I took this trade was because of these candles, all these choppy candles here, and also it closed bullish. It gave me a bullish candle, a hammer on this psychological level, above the psychological level. So that indicated that it was time to buy. So I actually entered this market, and this was the result of the trade that I took. So this was the trade, the candle it gave to me, this bullish big candle here, and then a weak rejection again around this area. So I took this trade, and then it went directly to my direction. All right, so this was the next one I took on GBP USD, and just based on this level, this support level, price came back down here to retest it alongside with a trend line. Okay, so there was also a psychological level here, but then I took the trade. Okay, and this was the result of the trade. I actually closed at this area because of this psychological level here, because I was thinking the price was definitely going to drop because of the psychological level and the candle you pointed out to me, but then price kept going to the upside, but then I closed early on the trade, right? So this was another one on on GBP card, and this was based on the Fibonacci retracements, the swing to the downside, the retracement to the upside, and price I entered around this area. Yeah, so that was it, and this is the result of the trade. So I actually closed when price was at this particular place. I closed at this area, and that was how I was able to grow this $10 to $26, right? So this week is a new week, and inspired and motivated to push harder. I'm going to backtest, do a lot of backtesting, So we are now on the level 2 of this challenge, and the ending balance is $26, and by the end of the week I'm hoping to meet up with at least 3 to 4 more levels to complete 3 levels or 4 levels. So maybe I'll end level 5 or level 6 or level 7, depending on the opportunities I get in the market. All right, so let me share with you on the screen my accounts. Okay, so this is the $26 account, and from here it says 26, right? So these are my trades that I took. These are my trades, and yeah, so this was the deposits, $10 deposits, and this were my profit and my loss. The loss I took and the profits I also took on this account. So the ending balance now is $26, and yeah, this is it. It's for real, right? This is real account. Okay, so this was the $20 challenge I took, and you can see here is minus 20.7, right? So this was it. I didn't even take a win on this account. I didn't close with a win on this account, right? So this is it. Okay, so let me show you this one. So this is just small. This one is a trial. This one is a demo account. This one is a demo account. So I actually started with a deposit of $100, right? And my profit now is $515. So I'm up on this account. The ending balance now is $614, right? So yeah, that's about it on the accounts. Okay, so hopefully by the end of the week we'll be in massive profits on this challenge. All right, so I'll still keep you guys updated, and whatever happens again, I'll just let you guys know how it's going. Okay, so I'm grateful. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and turn on your post notification. Like I said, my Telegram channel is in the link in the description below. So if you want to be part of it, or just want to be part of the journey, like not particularly taking my signals or trading, but then just monitoring my progress, you can just also join the Telegram channel to know what's going on. All right, so thank you for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.